Condo living may be attractive for new first-time buyers who are usually on a tighter budget. Smaller spaces means it's less expensive, you don't need much to furnish it, and maintenance fees means you don't have to worry about the exterior of your unit. Also, having a gym and a party room these days are pretty standard in condominium buildings, which means you may not need a gym membership or access to a club to throw your next birthday bash. Freehold means no maintenance fees. You own the land as well as the home on it. This means it's more expensive than condos and you are responsible for the exterior as well. This option may be more attractive to a buyer who is planning to move up to a larger home and not have to worry about maintenance fees and dealing with property management. The move-up buyer also needs to budget for additional expenses. Planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months? Give us a call. We're here to help.